Are you guys ready?
Yeah, that's your bumper sticker. Set that on the side, make sure there's no other.
Ready?
Go.
One mango, one trip. This one?
Yep.
Yeah.
안 매워?
Yeah, but you have to eat a peanut all at the same time. Did you want to do it? I don't know. I haven't done it. You're welcome.
Ooh.
Alright. I can take some here. Good.
Where the Arizona ranch. With the Parmesan. With the Buckeye barbecue.
Get a medium t-shirt, please.
What's that?
Yeah, you gotta eat all three of them right in front of us for a t-shirt.
매워?
And what are those? The triple atomic?
Yeah.
Step right up, guys. What can I get for you? Okay, 4 mangoes. All right.
Ooh.
Here you go.
Is that shirt? Did you make it?
Ah.
The atomic challenge on, you just swing around to the side here.
죽어? 빨리 먹었죠?
The atomic right here. Hello, what can I get for you?
Can I get 2 barbecue, 2 medium?
2 barbecue, you got it? 2 barbecue.
Step right up, guys. We got 2 lines. What can I get for you?